What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video. Removing the tranny. You already know. So let's get to this. I don't want to waste any more time, guys. I want to get this car running, and you already know that we'll be dropping them bangers. All right, guys. If you guys haven't checked out the last video, we stopped after we mounted in the engine onto the motor mounts. But now it's time to drop the transmission because of an issue with the throwout bearing. We're gonna swap that out, and I also got a new motor mount that came in for the tranny. So let's get to this, guys. If you guys haven't yet subscribed down below, please do so by clicking on the button. Hit the notification button so you don't miss another video. And like that, guys, hit the like button, and always comment down below tips, advice on first startup, and all that good stuff for the new engine here. All right, guys, let's get to this because it's happening now. Let's get it. All right, guys, today we are going to remove this tranny. I already unbolted all the bolts. I'm gonna swap that ugly motor mount, and yeah, guys, I got the new throwout bearing that's gonna go in there. But you guys can see I have it on the cherry picker, ready to lower it down. I just need to unbolting some few bolts. So I'll get back at you guys when I'm done unbolting these and it's ready to drop again. Okay, guys, now I'm trying to lower this thing down, see if it breaks apart, you know, splits. It looks like it's loose. I'm gonna try to wiggle it down so we can see if it trying to see if it goes down. This is the bitch work, guys. Okay, it's off the tranny part. A little more slack. Alright, guys, hold on. I'm gonna get back with you guys once I drop it down because I need two hands. I got it done. I ended up removing the tranny mount, made it a little bit easier, way easier actually, because this thing is already loose. See? Now I was just trying to drop it and go from there, little by little, trying to get it off the there you go. Honestly, by doing this more than once, bro, it's getting a lot more easier. Finally lowered it. And good thing I did, because now I got the throwout bearing here, and it seems like both clips are broken. You see that? What a waste, guys, but it is what it is. As I got it done, it actually went in pretty smooth, not gonna lie. There you guys have it. Throwout bearing moves up and down freely, and I think we finally are complete. That was pretty easy actually, guys. I got it done. You guys can see it moves in freely. Now I can say we're finally complete. Whew. I'm so happy, guys. You guys don't even know. I was stressing about that the whole time. It was actually easy to drop the tranny down, and I think once you take a breather, you know, things become a little bit easier. Don't do stuff when you're frustrated, because more stuff breaks and more stuff happens. You know, it doesn't go your way. But anyways, time to put that new tranny mount. Which I got it right here, boys. Here it is, AGP. New tranny mount going in now. All right, guys, what's up? Welcome back to the next day. Finally putting in the tranny. I got my boy right here, Yuri, in the building. We're about to get this ready because tomorrow is the day. Hopefully, I pray that this thing fires up tomorrow, guys, and that's my goal. So right now, guys, we're having trouble putting the tranny back in. It's not that we're having trouble, it's just that we're trying to figure it out. But yeah, guys, let's get it. I think it's the engine, bro. The engine's too tilt that way.
There you go.
All right, guys, we finally put in the tranny. As you guys can see down there, Yuri's putting in the bolts for it. But then that was a battle, bro. Got me sweating. But now we're gonna tighten it up and put it on the new motor mount, and we should be done with this project here. All right, guys, we finally got this done after like what, 2 or 3 hours in it.
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh, guys. For some reason, like that, the aftermarket tranny mount seems to be a little bit shorter than the original one, because with the original one, it gave us more clearance, and with this one, it was like it brings the engine a little bit more higher than usual. But finally, guys, check this out. I'll tell you right now. So we have the wiring running under this. I don't know what's this called, but it's running under here, and it looked like it was pretty damn tight, you know what I'm saying? So we had to like pry this thing back and forth, trying to wiggle it and try to like align it with the hole, guys. And dude, that thing wouldn't like align right, you know what I'm saying? Like this piece right here will sit lower than this one, so it's like slanted. But finally, guys, we got it, man. Thanks to Yuri over here, or else I would be here by myself doing this. This is not fun, guys. This was harder than the stock one, bro. Holy cow. Tranny mount in, success. At this tonight, you know, and tomorrow we're gonna come in here and finish it up. So tomorrow, early morning, I'll wake up and finish my battery rack to put in my new battery, run the wires, and then hook on everything that needs to be on the front part here and connect sensors. And we should be good. So I'm really planning to start this up tomorrow. It's not tomorrow night, but tomorrow for sure it's gonna be. I'm at least turn the key on, you know what I'm saying? And if it turns on, it turns on. If it doesn't, it's gonna turn on. You know what I'm saying? So that's gonna be it for tomorrow. And like I said, guys, I think since we're moving pretty quick and fast, we'll probably have to skip some footages of like parts. I don't think you guys want to see all that boring stuff, you know, like the long process part. So I think tomorrow you guys are gonna, well, the next video you guys are gonna see the finishing parts to put on, and then yeah, we're just gonna finish it up. So if you guys really want to see that video of this car turning on, make sure to subscribe down below, hit the notification button so you'll never miss a video. And this is gonna be so epic, guys, that you guys don't want to miss. All right, so help me out by giving me a like, drop a comment down below. Thank you guys for chilling with the garage with me and Yuri in the building. And like that, guys, have a good weekend. Stay safe, stay positive, and stay active, guys. Let's get it. Peace.